Thank you for your interest in our YouTube channel's membership only area. Basically, there's 3 different levels to membership, and at any of the levels, you're actually supporting us to help us create better videos for you. We can get better equipment, we can do more videos, etc. So let's look at the 3 different levels that we've created. We've got the beginner level, which of course covers just the basics of the dance, from the embrace to walking to posture to balance to the essential steps of the dance that you need in order to go out and dance socially with other people. The next level is our intermediate level, and at this level we actually go a little bit deeper into the different techniques of the dance. We look at staccatos, we look at boleos, we look at ganchos and the like, and we look at more steps that are basic or still pretty basic to the dance, but just a little bit more than the beginner steps. Also at the intermediate level, you get access to our members only discussion forum where you can ask us questions which we'll actually answer in a Q&A video at the end of each month. And you can also suggest different class topics that you might be interested in. At the advanced level, you get all of the stuff in the first 2 levels, plus you get access to our entire archive of videos and our more advanced classes. So there we look at colgados, volcadas, and different advanced sequences and techniques. You get the opportunity to send us a very short video every month of you dancing, and we'll actually take some time and critique that and give you the results of what we think. So every month you can do that and look at the progress made. So we hope you join. We look forward to providing more and better videos for you. Thanks.